Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Taylorsville, or near Love Valley, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Harmony, Love Valley, Hiddenite, Turnersburg, Olin, Sheffield, Union Grove, and Stony Point. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Davie, and Iredell.